Welcome back to Wise Guy channel. It's really early this morning, 4 a.m., and my daddy woke me up so we can get some work done in the office before my salon appointment to redo my hair, nails and get my teeth cleaned. Can't wait to get going to Puccini Pet Grooming. Thank you for tuning in and watching our video, and please subscribe and hit the like button.
She's all excited. She's excited. Okay, we're on our way for her salon day, right? Theo, she's excited. Yeah, she knows she's going to Puccini's groomers. Let's get going, little Lena. All right. Come on. Come on. We got to get her in the little Lena mobile. Okay, come on. Come on, you know. All right, hold on. Let me get you a seat. What do you say? Huh? You're letting me film you now, huh? Okay, let's get going. Give me stop every time I put the camera out. She's all excited. We just pulled in at Puccini's. All right, calm down. Calm down to get you out. Yeah, that's where she gets her haircut. It's her salon day. Okay, sorry, little Lena. Okay, all right, hold on. Okay, come on. She can't wait to get in there and see Theo. You know you're our guy. Do you know I drive all the way from Mariposa here?
That's a long way.
That's why, because we love you. So does Lena, right? And then these other businesses, so New Mexico Tint, that's over here, right? They're on the channel. So, you know how us paisans are. I'm asking permission to show your store.
With me, yes.
Okay, look at her. Hey, she's hanging out with Theo. Oh, take it easy now. Take it easy. Come on, look at you. Oh, so are you for basically letting me film you. Hey, let me tell you what this is all about. So, the original person who brought me here, she started a YouTube channel called the WiseGuy's, because we're paisans, like the owner. And the best way to put it, if it's okay with you, wait, hold on, let me get you center. You'll be on the YouTube channel. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care.
Oh, you're so sweet, right? Will you be taking, normally Theo basically grooms her. Will you be grooming her today?
No, not today, Theo.
Theo?
Yeah, I think Theo's doing it. Huh? And Theo's grooming you. Yeah.
This is, if you don't know who this is little Lena.
Oh, Lena.
Yeah.
She's so cute. You're so tiny.
Oh, there you go. All right. So, okay. Because we're going to feature your business, hold on, let me get you centered. Okay, I only been at this for 1 month, right, on the channel, so I just got it back. But we've had over right now 10% growth, right? And I've been doing better at the videos. Okay, so little Lena today, right? Are you gonna cut her again?
Heather's taking care of her.
Huh?
Heather's taking care of her.
Okay. Oh, by the way, I want you to know, Kyle answered the phone really well.
He's good on the phones.
Yeah, it was really well, right? Okay, so she's gonna get the full grooming,
Okay.
right? And I want you to know your cut. Look, your cut you did last time. She still looks cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, exactly. And then, okay, so when with the full service, right? She even gets her teeth done, right?
Brushed this.
Yeah, yeah. You can't beat that, right? And I want you to know what you did with the sanity on her butt, right?
Yeah.
And over in there. Yeah, yeah. So she didn't have any problems. All right, 1.5 hours. Yeah, that was just great. I just had enough time. Get a good breakfast. Let's go get little Lena because she was running around like a little chicken. Hard to control her. All right, we've got her basically stroller. All right, let's go. I like this, man. We get to peek in on her. All right, let's take a look. All right, where are you, little Lena? Oh, there she is, all relaxed. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Let's zoom in. Oh. She had her day at the salon, didn't you? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh. Where is she? There she is. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Come on. Ah, you feel good, huh? When I had hair, I used to like getting a haircut too. Oh, like going to a spa, huh? Oh, she looks dark. Where are you? You want to go to Trader Joe's now? Now that you're all basically groomed up. Little Lena's day out. Right? She just got out of the groomers. Now she's going off to Trader Joe's. And they all, the staff in there loves her. All right? They won't let me film in there, but yeah. She likes being out of the house. Don't you, little Lena? Huh? Gonna go get Lena's favorite treats in there. Oh, man. That little guy there could have got some pets. Get a basket. Oh, little Lena made a new friend. What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Dolores, and
Oh, thank you.
Her channel.
You know what?
I'm a big YouTube.
You just okay. Here, I'm gonna give you a card. Okay, and then I'll try to get it on there next week, right? And then if I ask you, okay, because the channel, I just took it over a month ago. Please become a subscriber and hit the like button. All right, let me give you a card. Oh, you just made her day because after this we go home, right? And she lives for being out of the house.
Oh yes, I can tell.
Oh, you're so nice, man. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. She's adorable. What's her name?
All right. Introduce yourselves, right?
What's your name?
Oh man, thank you for. All right, little Lena, that's it, man. Hey, anybody? It's actually, I gotta say, guys, right? I enjoyed. Oh, thank you, ma'am, for noticing her. Oh, well, Oh, your hands are full. I was gonna say, give her a pet. No, you're gonna still go for it. Oh, and a kiss too. Oh, you're making her day. Because this is our last chore now. She just came from the groomers and we're going home. Yeah, she lives for getting out of the house. Otherwise she gets cabin fever.
No way. Go to my house and get out at my house.
Thank you. Appreciate. All right. Oh, Lena got her scarf on. Come on. Huh? Don't wait. I'm gonna make you breakfast in a little bit. All right, let me show you what little Lena's diet normally consists of daily. Okay? So I'm gonna make her breakfast. Now, naturally, okay, there's eggs, turkey meat, right? But this was just a Trader Joe's haul, right? So she's always eating organic broccoli. Okay, she likes a little Swiss cheese, right? At nighttime, she likes a little cottage cheese, right? Okay, Trader Joe's. But their breakfast, she likes organic old-fashioned oats, okay? The funny thing is when I come back from the gym, in fact, I'll show you real quickly. In fact, okay, well, I'll show you later, right? When I'm cooking, right? Okay, she likes her jerky, basically, right? And then afterwards, she likes her banana chips, right? And once in a while, she eats some walnuts, right? And then she likes her peanut butter. And I want you to know, I eat all these things too, right? And then, hey, now I won't give her any yogurt. It doesn't do good with her, right? But with her cottage cheese, organic blueberries, okay? And then this is, I mean, I try to not let her eat too much of this, right? But organic popcorn, right? And then the best way to put it, right, is she weighs about 10 pounds. So I try to give her like, I don't know, 3/4 of a gram of protein per body weight, right? So I try to basically daily give her somewhere between 8 and 10 grams of protein, right? And then this is like I said, I try not to give her too much of this. Sweet potato, she eats sweet potato, right? You know, I gotta put this away, and then I'm gonna cook me a breakfast, right? Or lunch, because we just got back from the basically groomer, and I'll show you her meal. All right, that's the beginning of the omelet. We'll show you what it basically looks like at the end. There's 4 brown eggs in there and 2 full eggs of just egg whites. Now we're gonna pack it with Swiss cheese, turkey meat with taco season, and broccoli. All right, just fold it in half. Normally, because I was running the video, right, little Lena? Right? Okay. It's not as pearly white. Now I throw that on there, and we'll show you when we garnish it with avocado what it looks like. This will get me 60 grams of protein for my first meal today. It's horrible, man. When it comes to the jerky, she wants, this is what she gets when I come back from the gym. Right? All right, her supplement, right? We'll give her right now. Look at the other one. This is her second little treat. Yeah, so when I'm prepping this out, she's just all over, man. It don't matter. You can't hide it from her because she smells it, right? And now here's what's going to happen, right? When I try to get her to eat this, right, all she's going to want is her jerky. All right, there's little Lena's. She got the broccoli in there, the sweet potato, the turkey meat, Swiss cheese, and egg. Now, when we're all done, we're going to top it off with an avocado and some hot sauce. All right, so this is meal 1 for little Lena and I, right? This will get me about 60 grams of protein, good fats, right? Plenty of fiber, right? And little Lena's the same, well, not 60 grams protein, but I get her maybe about 3 grams of protein. Welcome back to the Wise Guy channel. What you're looking at is two photos I just merged together, right? So that's me on the left with my mother's dog, Max. I'm going to say he was my buddy. I'm 13 years old right there, and Max is just a puppy, right? Now, he got up to 110 pounds, all right? And the best way to put it, that day we were at the beach, right? In fact, it doesn't matter, right? Always when I was with Max, we would run. And Max taught me how to run fast, right? My mile was like in the low fives, right? So the best way to put it, if he thought I wasn't running fast enough, he would nip me in the buttocks. Now, on the basically right side, okay, is my son Brandon and my mother's Rottweiler. As you noticed, right, that Rottweiler's a puppy, right? He got up to 165 pounds. Well, what I'm trying to tell you is my mother just was getting bigger and bigger, right, with her basically security pets. And then I pointed out in the last video, I never thought I would be the owner or a steward of a little dog like little Lena. She's protecting me. I was taking a nap. I want to thank you for watching the video. And please, we could use your help. Hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.